Next issue or personality issue is magagalitin. Madaling magalit or mainit ang ulo parate. Well, ang pagiging magalitin either gutom ka or kulang ka sa happy hormones. So, ano ba nagtitrigger ng galit mo? Is it physical? Is it emotional? Is it psychological? So, know kung ano yung nagtitrigger sa galit mo. Baka kinausap ka lang ng friend mo. Binulyawan mo na. Ah, may, let's say, kung biological siya, let's say for girls or women, madalas ang 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 mga women or girls pag may period, pag may menstruation, mainit ang ulo. It's something with the hormones. I don't know for boys or men. I I don't know what makes them angry, but I think it's something to do with their control. Pag hindi nasunod ang plano nila, nagagalit sila. As for you, you just have to know ang root cause ng iyong galit and self-control. Exercise self-control. Let's say, pag nagagalit ka, you just get yourself out of that situation. Think, think twice. Think many times before you do something irrational or before you lash out your anger to others. So it would be better if you'll be able to uh, do a root cause analysis. Ano talaga ang nag-cause sa'yo para mabilis ka mawalan ng pasensya. It's just like ang pagiging magalitin ay katulad ng isang cup. Kung full ka of joy, puno yung cup mo. Pero once natapon ang cup mo, empty ka na. So, syempre, darkness will just fill you if you're not filled with light. And I pray that God will help you. That God will help you understand yourself, and you'll be able to control your anger, and it will not hinder your growth as a person. I pray as well, if it's something spiritual, I bind the spirit of anger or the element of anger that sticks with you, and I do not allow it to control your days, your life. In Jesus' name, receive it. God bless you.